Hello there. So we know that products and quotients are somehow related. In this video, we're going to show you how you can derive the quotient rule directly from the product rule. So I have f of x over g of x, and I want to take its derivative, but all I want to use is the product rule. Okay, so to do this, I'm going to do a little trick. I'm going to say this is equal to q of x. Q stands for quotient. Now, you may say, how does this help? Well, it allows me to multiply both sides by g of x, and so I get f of x is equal to q of x times g of x. Aha! And now I can take the derivative of both sides. These two functions are equal, and when I take the derivatives of both sides, I'm going to get something that's equal. And so I'm going to have f prime of x is equal to, we'll use the product rule now, q of x times g prime of x plus q prime of x times g of x. Aha! So now, remember what we want. We want to know the derivative of this, which is really equal to, the derivative of this is equal to q prime. So let's go ahead and try to solve for q prime. Now, the first step that we can do is pretty easy. We just replace q with f of x over g of x. So this is equal to f of x over g of x times g prime of x plus q prime of x times g of x. Aha! So now I can subtract this term from both sides of the equation to get f prime of x minus, let's see, f of x times g prime of x all over g of x is equal to q prime of x times g of x. And now I can divide everything by g of x, and so I find f prime of x over g of x minus f of x times g prime of x over g of x squared is equal to q prime of x. Combining these terms and putting them over a common denominator, I find that I have g of x times f prime of x minus f of x times g prime of x all over g of x squared is equal to q prime of x, which by definition is equal to the derivative with respect to x of f of x over g of x. This is our familiar friend, the quotient rule. I think this is pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and do some more math.